YouTube, man, what is going on? I am back again with another video I'm super excited about because one thing, I am doing a project. We're about to work on this denim Levi's jean jacket. We're about to dye it two-tone, coffee dye, brown cocoa, coffee dye, brown cocoa. We're probably gonna do that. Did like 4 different panels for the jacket. Loved it when I did it the first time, so let's get it. FYI, it's like November 9th. And it's beautiful out right now. It's like low 50s. New York City is buzzing. I'm in love with this view. I mean, come on, bro. Look at that. But yo, so I ordered this jacket from Amazon, right? This is one of the Levi's jean jackets that I got from the Levi's website. I don't know how long ago. I got a black one. I did a between clouds embroidery on it, some chenille patchwork. It just came like this to the door, so I don't know if that's a good or a bad sign, but we're about to find out. Levi's makes the best basic denim, right? My grandma, when she came from Puerto Rico to the United States, she was working at the Levi Strauss factory in San Francisco. She put me on. So as you can see, the jacket, brand spanking new. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of the paper tag or hard leather tag that are on the jeans or on some of the other jackets, so the paper tag's a little disappointing, but it is what it is. Anyways, the first thing we gotta do is we got to rinse this out. We're gonna get our water ready, boil it out. So I'm about to try this jacket on so you guys get a little size reference of what I'm talking about. The arms are a little short. They're a little short. This is a black joint, a little different though, higher quality for the tag. But I put a bunch of between clouds chenille. And this was actually an XL as well. Show you guys. But it says vintage fit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I like my stuff a little bigger on me, but it's not short at all, so. I'm about to put the water on super hot, let this jacket soak for a little bit, rinse this out, but basically that's what I'm trying to do. All right, so right now I got all my water that I needed. I probably boiled a little bit too much. I was following the Rit dye tutorial and they were talking about like 3 gallons. I think I got a little bit more than that. To add a cup of salt. Or I will say I did not have anything to stir this with at all, so I'm gonna have to use a spatula from the kitchen. And they say add a little bit of dish soap. The dye is cocoa brown chocolate by Rit. You guys can see the color of this. Pretty dark. This color is super dark and like chocolate basically. Let me show you guys. I'm dyeing the crap out of that jacket. Look, this is what happens when you aren't careful. So this is how we're gonna dye my jacket. I'm gonna try and stay away from these pockets. So basically it's gonna be dark on the top, light, dark, and then light at the very bottom. So, here we go. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, counting down.
So as you guys can see, this color is crazy. I picked the wrong sunglasses for this right now, but I can't, you know, let go because I'll lose this color. We're currently in the dyeing process. Had a little bit of a spill, but it's looking good. Now I'm just letting the dye sit, moving it around a little bit. I put the whole thing in for the brown because, you know, after you wash, you do lose a lot of color, so that's kind of irritating. I don't want to put 2 dyes in. I just wanted to put 1 because it came out really well in the last jacket that I made. Beautiful color, as you guys can see. Nice chocolate brown. And then gonna dye this a little coffee. This is the jacket so far. You know what, I kind of messed up. I didn't want to get that middle part dyed at all, and I did. With this, you're supposed to have like 4 tablespoons, but I'm probably just gonna put a bunch because I want to keep that color. And then after that, we're gonna do the coffee dye. I decided to move everything to the bathroom because I really don't want to make a mess out there anymore. So right now we put the Rit color dye fixative in. I gotta move it around a little to make sure I'm getting all the color possible out of this before I do my coffee dye. The coffee gets in, it's gonna set in, soak this up. It's gonna turn into like, you know, a nice coffee tone. I got a dark roast for the coffee that I'm gonna use today. The other one I did, it was like a medium roast, like a light roast or whatever, so it was a lot lighter. I'm not sure how it's supposed to turn out, to be honest, but I'm excited. I'm moving this around right now. So the next step after this, after we do the coffee, which is gonna be insane, I'm gonna love it, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it. But I'm definitely gonna distress this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get like a blowtorch, or maybe I'll get like a cheese grater or something. All right, so here's my hope. My hope is, as you can see, the middle part that wasn't supposed to get dyed at all did get dyed. I do think the coffee grounds are gonna make it a little bit darker and give it more of that coffee feel to it, which I'm happy about. So we're definitely gonna keep going with the coffee. 50 cups of coffee. I'm boiling it right now on the stove. Gonna put it on under the hot water and let this soak for probably like maybe an hour, then take it out, let it dry, then wash it. Then we'll be ready for phase 2 of the distressing. Submerging the whole thing in coffee. White part already had that little bit of brown on it. It really doesn't matter at this point. So I'm about to submerge the whole thing. The color is already changing a little bit, which is pretty sick, as you guys can see. It's like more of a coffee tone. But this is yet another 40 minutes where I'm just gonna leave it in here and just let it soak. What's up, guys? This is the jacket after the wash. Came out pretty good in my opinion. I really do like this dye process. I think the coffee really stuck right here. As you can see, a little bit closer. I'll bring this outside so you kind of get better lighting with the jacket to see how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys want part 2. I'm gonna distress the jacket, the whole thing. I kind of want to save it for another video just because I feel like this video is running a little bit long. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys like more videos like these, I'll try and do some other dye process / DIY stuff. Yo, make sure you guys hit that like and follow button for more. We're slowly growing. Peace, guys. Have a good one, all right?